Don't you just love going out with those friends who seem to know all the cool, quirky little spots to eat and drink, and all you have to do is tag along for the ride? Well, I found those friends for you. It's the team from Oh Hey WA. They are a group of Perth enthusiasts who create fun, unforgettable walking tours for locals and visitors alike. Exploring streets, laneways and public spaces to showcase the art, history, bars and architecture of this great city while sharing quirky stories and fun facts along the way. Oh Hey WA is run by local sisters Adi and Robin, who are extremely passionate about their home city and love to share it with others, along with their team of friendly guides. So, Adi, what inspired you to start Oh Hey WA?
Oh, about 12 years ago, I was backpacking around Europe and I fell in love with doing walking tours. It was always the first thing I would do when I got to a new city, and it was such a great way to hear about those little hidden gems and local insights that you wouldn't find on your own. And I wanted to bring that to Perth and start something here, so here we are.
Right, and what kind of tours do you offer?
We do a range of different tours, both public and private walking tours, covering all sorts of topics, including street art, history, small bars, gin, cocktails, all the good things.
Amazing. And where are you going to take me today?
So we're cruising down Wolf Lane right now, which is one of our best hubs for street art, cafes, small bars, and we might visit one of them as we go.
All right, well, let's go.
Yes.
Wolf Lane is packed full of hidden gems and beautiful street art created by local artists. Down Wolf Lane, you'll find one of Perth's best kept secrets, the aptly named Wolf Lane Bar. Even locals are surprised when they hear about this one. Let's check it out. This whimsical bar is decked out with quirky decor, trinkets, and has a fairy tale inspired atmosphere. Think Little Red Riding Hood and Alice in Wonderland meets Snow White. It really continues the street art theme from our tour, with the walls covered in these murals created from artists based all over the world. Venue manager Nick, otherwise known as Big Daddy Wolf, is showing us the magic of his cocktail creation in his masterclass.
Righto, so today we're going to be making a special little cocktail with a gin that was actually made especially for us here at Wolf Lane by a company called Rainfall Distillery. So it is a forest pomegranate and lime gin, and today we're going to be making a gimlet. So we're using 1.5 parts of gin, 1 part of lime, 1/2 part of sugar. Some ice, everyone's favourite little bit, the shake.
So can you tell us what inspired the fairy tale theme of Wolf Lane?
So basically we really wanted to play on that nostalgia vibe and really bring people's lounge rooms into our bar, bringing things back to home with a nice warm environment, playing some funky breaks on the weekends, and just really opening a bar for all ages.
Awesome. And you run cocktail masterclasses, so we can learn how to make this beautiful drink.
So we do private masterclasses, and then we also do a what we call our Cocktail Chronicles, which run every 6 weeks throughout the year, and they're more of a themed event as well.
Yeah, beautiful. Well, it'd be rude not to try,
Dive
wouldn't
in.
it? Cheers. Oh Hey WA is able to customise your tour uniquely for groups, from hens and bucks to people who just want to explore the city in a new way with VIP service and exclusive discounts. Well, it's been a truly magical afternoon exploring some of Perth's hidden gems. If you're keen to try something new and unique and explore Perth's art, history and bar scene, then check out this website. Cheers!
Cheers!